Ethereum is testing a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Ethereum yesterday, we were testing the 1278 resistance level, and we were waiting for CPI data to either be positive or negative. You can see, of course, with yesterday's moveset, we did have some bullish news and a strong continuation above that 1331. We did get a very nice wick to at 1353, and then we saw a small pullback opportunity. But as of right now, we are retesting that 1331 resistance again. As you guys already know, the more times a resistance level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. So as of right now, though, on Ethereum, from the bullish case, we would have to see a strong breakout opportunity and then use this level as support for that move set upwards. Of course, if we do see a nice bar formation being formed, then we would see a strong bearish engulfing candle from around this level at 1331 and the continuation. But there are a few things I want to talk about. Number one, of course, being the fact that I did mention in yesterday's video that the best case scenario from the bear's perspective is to wait until we get that retest confirmation. Ideally, right now, in terms of wick, we've only seen one wick to the upside. We are waiting for the second and third, and usually on the third, that's where the most liquidity grab happens, and then the move to the downside. As of right now, though, Ethereum, of course, is looking a little bit more bullish, and the reason why is I mentioned this to you guys, that we did have a possible inverse BART formation, and if this pattern does play out, we could be looking for a possible take profit level at 1518 before the move to the downside. The reason why that 1518 level, of course, was important is because the fact that you can see that we tested that level multiple times, and I mentioned this to you guys over and over and over, that if that 1518 level were to break, there's a reason why it's a blue line, is because it's a major daily support slash resistance. Of course, we did see that break of that support and that massive move to the downside, and of course we did have the FTX news as well, so that's probably what caused a lot more of the capitulation, but we were expecting a large drop regardless. As of right now, though, if this inverse bar formation does play out, we can keep a focus on this 1518 level to see how this level will play out. Of course, I've been mentioning this over and over and over, the fact that I'm still waiting to see how this $1,000 level is tested, and we could be looking for further capitulation on Ethereum to around that 723 mark, and this, of course, is just a clean breakout after we consolidated at this resistance level for multiple days. We already knew the fact that this was going to be a breakout because I have taught you guys this many times. When a resistance level is being tested and we don't see any clean bearish volume, there are two possibilities. Number one being a BART formation, of course, if we did see something like this, and number two being the breakout. Of course, this usually tends to happen during CPI data. You can see we saw the same sort of formation right around here, and then we saw that massive move to the upside. And if you go back and check Ethereum's chart during these news events, you tend to start seeing these bar formations form. Every time it's bearish movesets, we do see a continuation, and of course, in terms of a bullish moveset, we see a strong breakout. Now, what usually happens is during later in the week, then we'll see the corrective move or the continuation, which was supposed to be the massive move, right? So as of right now, though, entering these shorting positions on Ethereum is going to be very risky. Of course, you could be looking for a shorting position because of the fact that we are in overbought territory, but we have to keep in mind that Ethereum will definitely be looking to retest at least the 1421 before we see any sort of pullback, because of the fact that this 1331 level was not a clean rejection. You can see from previous price analysis, we saw a very clean rejection at that level, but if you look on the lower time frames, you can see that Ethereum is pretty much hovering right above these exponential moving averages, and we are having a strong continuation. We have already seen that pullback in terms of an opportunity for a short, and now we are continuing rising up again. But of course, we do have this hourly bar formation as well, so if we do see something like that, be very careful. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.